In this video, I'll show you how to check and test your RAM using the MemTest86 RAM testing tool. With MemTest86, you can properly test your memory and identify any faults or errors that might be causing system crashes, blue screens, or random restarts. This tool uses 14 different testing algorithms to thoroughly check your RAM and works with both older and the latest memory types. I've personally tested it on DDR4 and DDR5, and it works perfectly. It also supports ARM-based systems, so it's very versatile. The best part is that it's completely safe, as it operates within your hardware limits. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Alright, open your browser and search for MemTest86. Go to the official MemTest website and click on the download button. From the right-hand side, download the free version. The free version has everything we need to test the RAM, so there's no need for the paid one. Once the download is complete, open your downloads folder and extract the MemTest86 file. Inside the extracted folder, you'll see a few files. ImageUSB.exe tool is used to create the bootable USB drive, and the MemTest86 USB.img file is the actual MemTest86 tool that will run from the USB. Now let's create the bootable USB drive. Connect your USB drive to the system and run the ImageUSB.exe application. When the ImageUSB tool opens, you'll see your USB pen drive listed. Select your USB drive and make sure the option Write Image to USB Drive is selected. Then click Browse and choose the MemTest86 USB.img file. After that, click the Write button. A confirmation window pop-up will appear. Click Yes to continue. After that, you'll see a final warning message letting you know that the image will be written to the USB drive and all existing data on the USB will be erased. Make sure there are no important files on the USB before moving forward, because this process will completely wipe it. Once you confirm, click Yes. The tool will then start creating the bootable USB drive that we'll use to boot the system and run MemTest86. Just let it finish. This may take a few minutes. Once the process is finished, you'll see a message saying imaging completed. Now restart your system so we can test the RAM. As the system starts up, press the boot menu key. The key depends on your PC or laptop brand, so if you're not sure, you can quickly check it on Google. From the boot menu, select the USB drive we just created for MemTest86. After booting into MemTest, this is the interface you'll see. Let me quickly show you how to use it. Click on Config, and here you'll see your system information, including your CPU model and RAM details. In my case, I have 12 GB of RAM installed. If you go to Test Selection, you'll see all the available tests. MemTest86 can run up to 14 different tests, but for most users, I recommend selecting around 4 to 6 tests. Running more than that can take several hours. For this video, I'll go to number of passes and select 2 passes. Once you've chosen how many tests or passes you want to run, click on the Start Test button. MemTest will now begin testing your RAM using different patterns to detect any errors. This process does take time, so you'll need to be patient. I'll fast forward this part in the video. Alright, once the test is complete, you'll see the results on the screen showing whether the test passed or failed. In my case, it's showing test pass, which means there are no errors in my RAM. If you want to see a detailed summary of the results, just press any key on your keyboard and it will display all the test information. That's how you can test your RAM and check for errors using MemTest. This is a very useful tool because sometimes it's hard to tell whether a problem is caused by software issues or faulty hardware. Testing your RAM helps you rule that out. I hope this video helped you understand how to test your RAM. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.